There's a place in Western Australia that takes your breath away the moment you arrive. The Pilbara, with its vast red earth, ancient landscapes and a rhythm that slows you down and reminds you what's real. Experience the heart of station life on our epic Pilbara food tour, with rare access to private cattle stations that few ever get to see. Graziers will open their gates and share stories of resilience, tradition, and the future of beef in this extraordinary land. Days are filled with discovery, tasting food of this country, learning how it's raised, and connecting with the people who live it every day. Nights are unforgettable, gathered around the fire, sharing a meal under a canopy of stars brighter than you've ever imagined. This isn't just travel, it's connection to land, to food, and to community. Join us in the Pilbara for an adventure that will stay with you long after you've brushed the red dust from your boots.